Ever sat and asked yourself what accessory should I wear? Nothing feels quite right? Don't worry. Today we are making the perfect solution. A stylish handmade flower brooch that goes with everything. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'll show you how to make this beautiful brooch, no stress. No experience needed, just creativity and flowers. Now, glue the base of the flower and attach it on the left side of the pin. Glue the base of the gold crystal flower and attach it at the middle of the pin. Still worried about accessorizing? Don't be. Sometimes, you just need that one handmade piece to light up your whole look. Apply the same process to the last flower and that's it. Look how elegant it turned out. Handmade, one of a kind, and it brings that perfect finishing touch. Confidence, sparkle, and your own personal style, all from a brooch you made yourself. Simple, clean, and secure. If this inspired you, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe for more stylish, easy tutorials. See you next time.